Hi traders, welcome to a new video in which you will see a way of using Hameral Order Flow Tools directly on the chart. As usual, we are starting with the volume profile, which gives us the key areas and the overall context. Today we changed nothing in the key area. They are exactly the same as yesterday. Did you miss the video where we showed you the trades that brought us a prop firm funded account? You can find it on the channel, so we have the key area marked in green. Now let's look at the context. We can see that the open was above yesterday's volume profile, so the context is bullish, and we are focusing mainly on buy trades. At the open, the price rejected the first area, and then it took more than 1 hour to reach our main key area, where we were waiting for a long trade. Let's watch the VWAP. On the RTH VWAP, the price is overextended to the downside, touching the -3 standard deviation. On the daily VWAP chart, we can see that our key area has a confluence with VWAP as well. These three factors, volume profile val plus -3, RTH, VWAP standard deviation plus daily VWAP, create a very strong support level. On top of that, on the levels pro chart, we can see that this area also aligns with the previous session high. Strong support in a bullish context. So we start hunting for a buy trade. The price is in the area, but we want to see a clear rejection. Stacked sell orders at the bottom, positive delta, and multiple buy imbalances at the top. If we look at the footprint, this is exactly what we wanted to see. Huge sellers at the bottom, followed by a fast move up, creating buy imbalances. On the next candle, we can see even more clearly the power of the buyers. Many buy imbalances and a positive delta change. The delta is positive, and the cumulative delta is also positive, which means the buyers have taken control. Now let's take a look at the big trade bubble. How beautiful is this indicator? It clearly shows how the sellers' strong intention to push the price down failed. We had 103 sell contracts at the bottom, and the price moved up fast, leaving a nice wick. As I mentioned in yesterday's video, when we see a candle with a big wick and a big bubble at the extreme inside a key area, it's a strong clue of changing the direction. The super oscillator was oversold and has now started to gain strength on the upside. It was a nice 2R plus trade. We were using the Hameral Pro Tools, which are still available, with a lifetime license at a very affordable price. Soon we will switch to a subscription model, and lifetime license prices will increase. If you want a lifetime license for Hameral tools, you still have a bit of time while we finalize the new licensing system. You have the link in the description.